Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to add a TV show or movie to your Yidio watch list. So let's jump in right into the video since it's pretty easy. Start off by open a web browser and then go to yidio.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing this will take you to the official site for yidio.com. Make sure that you're logged into your account by entering your account's credentials. Once you're logged into your account, go ahead and mouse over to your name at the top right hand corner and in the pop-up click on Watchlist. Once you open up your My Watchlist tab, go ahead and select the popular TV shows or movies from the list, and then if you want to add a particular content inside your watch list, simply click on the watch list button right under the content. Once you've done that, you will be able to see all of your watch list that you've added right underneath. So that is how you can easily add a content on watch list. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.